So now it's time to create another object. So now suppose that you have another car. So for example here, suppose that another car, for example, Mercedes. And then it's going to be equal to car. It's going to be equal to car. Now if you here say another print, let me here print a space. I'm going to print here just a separator. I'm going to say here separator, and then I'm going to print, and then I'm going to print Mercedes, and then I'm going to print the color and the speed. So I'm going to say print, and then I'm going to here say car Mercedes now, because the name of the object is Mercedes. So I'm going to say Mercedes, and then dot color, and then I'm going to say print, and then I'm going to print the speed, Mercedes dot speed. Now if you click on file and then save, and if you go to the terminal and open the terminal and then run your script, let me here clear out my terminal, and then let me run my script. So if you run, guess what? You are gonna get red and then 100 and then separator and then Mercedes and then 100 and then red and then 100. So it printed out. It first printed out. It printed out the color and the speed of the first car, and then the color and the speed of the second car, which is Mercedes. But the speed and the color are the same. So the speed and the color for the first car are the same as the second car. But suppose that you want to specify the color and the speed of the Mercedes. You don't want the color to always be red, and you don't want the speed to always be 100. How can you specify the color and the speed? Well, the answer is very simple. In order to do that, you need to pass parameters to your constructor. So to this constructor, you can say comma, and then color, and then comma speed. And then use this color to specify the color of the object, and use this speed to specify the speed of the object. So instead of hard coding the color, you can remove this color, and then you can say color. You specify the color of the object using the color that you are gonna pass. And then similarly with the speed, you can here say self.speed is equal to the speed that you are gonna pass. Now, from where should you pass the color and the speed? To pass the color and the speed, you need here in the object itself. In the object, you need here to say the color. So for example here, black, and then comma, and then the speed. So the speed can be 300. For Mercedes, let's say here, let me pass another color. Let me say blue, and then color, and then comma, and then the speed, let's say 500. Let me now save and run my script. If you run your script now, guess what? You are gonna get different result. As you can see now, you are gonna get for the first car, you are gonna get black 300, and for Mercedes, you are gonna get blue and 500. And this is how you can specify properties of different objects. So now we have different objects. We have car 1, and we have Mercedes. And each one of them has different properties.